Hey everyone, don't go away. I'm going to do another soup video. I have some tomatoes and I have sliced carrots, green Italian beans, I have sweet peas, and I have a variety of spices. I have sea salt, black pepper, celery salt, cayenne pepper, garlic powder, Montreal steak salt seasoning. So this is the induction cooker, the new wave that my mom got me. Right now I set it on medium, it says 275. Now that hasn't even been maybe about 60 seconds and that's already starting to bubble in the bottom. Alright, I'm going to do a 15-minute check. I had it on medium, which is 275 for 5 minutes, then medium low, which was 175 for 5 minutes. It was still simmering, and this has been low now for 5 minutes. So let's take a look. Cover is warm. Alright, so now at this point it is not simmering, which is something I do want it to do. So I am going to put it back up to medium low, which is 175. Lift this up. And yeah, fogged my camera. That's alright. Alright, that is definitely nice and tender. You're probably asking yourself, why did I rinse those vegetables? Because I find whenever I get something out of a can, even though I strain it, I run cold water because it seems like there's more of this leftover stuff, I guess, attached to it. I don't know what else you'd say. So let's just do this really carefully. Alright, so this, I'm going to let this, I think, simmer for about 10 minutes. Alright, the nice thing about this too is like this part here, this is warm, this is not. I can put my hand here without being burnt. I can't do 150. Well, actually I can do 150. Let's see if you can, there we go. Let's see that a little bit better. Alright, so it's been 10 minutes and I had to put it up to 175 because there was no simmering at 150. So let's check this out. I think I'm just going to turn it off at this point. Alright, and I just started a few minutes ago, so I'm not surprised it's not simmering. So let's try that out, see how it tastes. Alright, let's try it. I did add a few more spices in here as it was simmering. Alright, I will say I think that came out pretty good. I hope you liked this video. If you didn't find it educational, maybe entertaining, so feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and share.